How many meals have you had today? Do you know how you can actually taste what you are eating? Taste, or gustation, is a sense that comes from the mouth. Taste is useful for determining what foods are safe to eat or not. The early hominids, or humans, would have had to go by their tastes to determine if a food was healthy or not. They do not have details on the food telling you what it contains, nutrition information, or who made it, like you or I do. Taste also is used to tell the stomach what enzymes to produce to break down the food. Most of the time, we just think of taste as enjoying the flavor of a food. Humans can detect 5 different tastes: sweet like sugar, sour like lemon, bitter like coffee, salty like potato chips, and the newly discovered umami, which is meaty and savory. This is how it all works. When you take your first bite, the food is ground up by your teeth. You then try and swallow, but before that, the food is tested by the tongue, specifically the taste buds. The tongue contains about 10,000 taste buds. Each taste bud is able to taste every single taste, but each taste bud tastes only one taste the best. Taste buds are located on the edges and upper side of the tongue, the soft palate, or the roof of the mouth, located next to the uvula. We do not taste anywhere else. Now, back to what I was saying. After your food is chewed up, it is dissolved by saliva. The chemicals in the dissolved food are picked up by receptors by use of gustatory hairs. The gustatory hair then picks up the particles and takes them to the gustatory cells. The gustatory cells then transport the messages to the brain through neurons via the facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, and the vagus nerve. When your brain figures out what the messages mean, you will be able to taste the food. That is how you taste. The gustatory cortex then analyzes the signals and then sends messages to the stomach to tell it what enzymes to produce to break down the foods. The importance of taste is to determine what enzymes you should start producing to break down the food. Amylase is produced in the mouth and helps break down large starch molecules into smaller sugar molecules. Pepsin is produced in the stomach. Pepsin helps break down proteins into amino acids. Trypsin, from the pancreas, breaks down proteins. Pancreatic lipase, which is produced in the pancreas, is used to break down fat. As you can see, each enzyme is effective in breaking down a specific nutrient. The important thing is determining which meals are healthy or not. Have you ever had a slice of bread only to realize that it is stale? You can thank your taste buds for that. The taste buds sent a message to your brain which told you not to eat anymore. Back when humans had to find or grow their own food, they would have to be careful. If they thought that a specific taste was probably unhealthy, they would not eat anymore. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and listen to your taste buds. After all, you're probably right.